The world's 10 times more disturbing sky wonders. You are a miraculous beam of light phenomenon. On a cold winter night, people sometimes see a strange sight. Several vertical beams of light appeared in the sky, as if to the sky. This phenomenon is known as the princess. It's an amazing natural organ. And the way that beam of light works is actually quite simple. When the temperature drops below zero, 10 to minus 40 degrees Celsius, a large number of hexagonal ice crystals form in the air. These ice crystals are suspended in the air not far from the ground, reflecting light from the ground, such as street lamps or house lights. It's reflected back up, forming a spectacular beam of light. Although this phenomenon may seem mysterious, but it can be explained by science. He is not only beautiful, it also showed us the amazing power of nature. 195-223 lightning magma and thunder leopard. This photo circulating on the internet is not red color lightning storm, it's magma from a crater. Although it may seem a giant red lightning ball on the skyline. Observe carefully, you will find that this is actually a volcanic crater. However, volcanoes and lightning, and they do have a unique and fascinating relationship. When a volcano erupts, fragments of volcanic mixed ice crystals collide at high speed in the air, generate static electricity in volcanic rain. This phenomenon is known as mind possession. Volcanic eruptions are already terrifying, and this volcanic eruption with lightning, even more amazing. This phenomenon, it shows the diversity and complexity of natural forces. Let's witness the amazing combination of fire and electricity. The eighth mysterious spiral whirled on the morning of December 9, 2009. A strange sight appears over Norway. A huge spiral of light suddenly light up the sky, and gradually expand. Blue cumulative flash wakes up after 10 minutes. If he mysteriously disappears. As for the rare phenomenon of being photographed by multiple people, global attention. Due to the long duration, that ruled out meteors. Shooting from multiple angles is also a non-prank. Some people speculate that it is 7 weapons experiments. Some even claim to be aliens. Welcome to the inauguration of Obama. But the truth is not so strange. The next day, the Russian Ministry of Defense revealed just a failed Bulava ballistic missile handout. Missile third episode engine nozzle damaged. Cause lateral injection of exhaust. Create a spiral trajectory. Simulation experiments confirm the possibility of this explanation. Although the truth is disappointing, but learned it was just a missile handout accident. It doesn't seem so reassuring. The mystery of the 7th group of blackbirds falling from the sky. Early morning of February 7, 2022. Clear skies in Chihuahua, Mexico. Suddenly, the tree fairy pointed to the yellow-headed black pair and fell from the sky, fall to the ground like a devil. Although some birds died on the spot, but most quickly perk up to indecent assault. The bizarre incident shocked the local residents. Speculate why. Some people think it may have been an electric shock from hitting a wire. Others suspect that it is caused by air pollution. However, experts have come up with a more plausible explanation. Probably due to being chased by a bird of prey. The pursuit of the bird of prey forces the flock to fly low, causing them to lose their way and fall. Although this is only the leading theory at the moment. What exactly caused these blackbirds to fall to the ground remains a mystery. The mysterious black spot on the surface of the 6th moon. An astronomy enthusiast, Andre, through a new phase. When the machine observes the lunar surface, accidentally discovered 3 mysterious black spots. These black dots move slowly. Direction is roughly the same, Andre estimates. They fly at an altitude of about 500 kilometers, located on the hot side of the Earth's atmosphere. This altitude is normal for a plane, more than 40 times the flight altitude. What are these UFOs? The most likely explanation is satellites. So far, more than 12,470 satellites have been launched to space. About 5,200 grams of it is still operational. Therefore, these 3 black dots are likely active satellites. Although, this observation is not evidence of an alien visit. But he reminds us, there are many man-made objects in space. This phenomenon, it not only showcases the achievements of human beings in exploring the universe, it also raises our awareness of the unknown, the infinite imagination of the world. Red Elf. Thunderstorms are amazing. But sometimes it is accompanied by unusual phenomena. The mesosphere above a thunderstorm. About 45.72 kilometers high, people observed the mysterious flash known as the Red Elf. In 2015, NASA. This red flash was captured from space. The Golden Forest can span approximately 48 kilometers, although it looks small in the camera. Scientists speculate that they may be near the ground. Positive electricity and lightning in the wall start. Although this kind of lightning only accounts for 5% of all lightning, but up to 10 times stronger than negative electricity and lightning. The main hull and the lightning are so strong, so as to break down atmospheric molecules into ions. These ions collide with molecules in the air, possibly responsible for the formation of the red elf and its color. However, this is still just a theory. This peculiar natural phenomenon, reminiscent of a scene from a science fiction movie. As if there were giant transparent jellyfish hidden in the heavenly palace. Easy to die. Amazing long tubular clouds on the horizon. A strange cloud draws attention. It's different from the fluffy white clouds we know. Instead, it takes on a long tubular shape, like a giant sausage spanning the sky. This is the morning cloud. Length up to 1,000 kilometers, altitude over 1.6 kilometers, movement speed up to 20 meters per second. Scientists' understanding of the formation mechanism of not yet fully cracked. They are usually found near the coastline. Moderation and temperature are key factors. Warm air, the water carrier rises into the cooler troposphere. Famous after falling. Sometimes it is pushed up to form a new condensation wind, although the cause is not entirely clear. Chen Guanyan's spectacular sight is still breathtaking. He demonstrated the wonders of nature. It has also inspired scientists continue to explore the mysteries of the atmosphere. The third atmospheric optical organ. Optical phenomena in the atmosphere vary widely. It's amazing. Except for the common rainbow. There are even rarer living rainbows. This phenomenon is actually surrounded by flat lakes. Belongs to the ice crystal family, as hexagonal ice crystals float through the air. Sunlight is refracted through the surface of ice crystals, form a rainbow of colors. Even stranger are the polar stratospheric clouds. They formed in the second layer of the Earth's atmosphere. The stratosphere can reach a height of 59.7 kilometers. It's extremely dry and cold. Water vapor freezes at -82.8 degrees Celsius. Depending on the status of the sailor, the clinic will present a fascinating rainbow of colors. Although the rainbow tornado is just a composite picture. But rainbows and waterspouts can indeed appear at the same time. Show the more spectacular side of nature. These phenomena shows the wonders of the interaction of light and atmosphere. Let us appreciate the wonders of nature. Have you ever thought about turning over the waves? If you look up at the sky, you will see a scene like waves. In 2015, over Augusta, Georgia, USA. These strange clouds appear. This rare phenomenon. It was not until 2017 that it was recognized by the World Meteorological Organization. Become more than 60 years old, the first new star to be added to the official cloud map. This kind of reputation is usually low. Cover with specific weather, creating waves in the atmosphere. Different layer thicknesses. After the light penetrates, it will have a wave-like effect. This natural organ is not only amazing, it also provides a new perspective for meteorological research. Black hole simulations are stunning in 2019. Astronomers have taken photos of black holes for the first time. Black holes are an attractive force, celestial bodies that even light cannot escape. Given the speed of light at 6,299,792 kilometers per second, the attractive force of a black hole. In 2015, a simulated black hole video suspended above a small Russian town. It was circulating online. This is a simulation created by the space agency. Shows a similar unknown black hole image of donuts. If the nearest black hole is 6,200, what would happen if it suddenly appeared near the Earth? It's 6.5 times the mass of the Sun. About 72 kilometers in diameter. If he were 804,000 kilometers from Earth. About twice the distance to the Moon, the Earth will be torn apart. In the night sky, he might just be a little bit. But enough to destroy everything.